I know I was nervous up here. I can't imagine what they were thinking on the Texans sideline.
Watson, time, throwing this side of the field. What a catch! Inside the 15-yard line by DeAndre Hopkins.
With the pass interference. Gets a tug of his jersey right on top. DeAndre gets away with a little bit of a push off too. So good back and forth. A no call was necessary there because of the back and forth.
Watson throwing, end zone, touchdown, Jordan Thomas. His 17th straight game with a touchdown pass, and that is a new franchise record.
Watch when he comes up the ball fake here. Actually, it was the other tight end. So Thomas is the one that takes it to the corner. Watson with the good ball.